Hey there, so I want to talk about a big scam that's going on with domains. So you may have gotten a letter like this in the mail that says you got to pay this money for a domain. Well, it's a scam, and I'll go over it coming right now. So you may have gotten a letter like this in the mail, which basically says you owe $228 annual for your domain renewal. You get an envelope and you get a letter. So this letter was actually taped together because as soon as I saw it, I ripped it up, because this is essentially a scam. If you already have a business website that you already pay for, maybe you have a domain name provider like Namecheap or GoDaddy or 2Cows or whoever the heck it is, you already pay that. This is not something you need to pay, and you shouldn't pay attention to this even. It's just spam, it's just somebody trying to get money from you, and you don't need to do this. So it's way better, way lower cost to actually just go through the domain name provider you already have, like GoDaddy, like Namecheap, those other people, and just pay those fees directly. That's the best way for you to save money and be safe. Now, these people, they get your information from a number of sources online, but actually, with a lot of websites, if you look up your what's called Who Is Data, it'll actually show you your address and all of that information. Unless you opt for automatic protection, it'll show that information. So these just pull thousands upon thousands of websites online, and they get that information, and then they send this out hoping that somebody will pay them. And usually they're like, what? They, freaking out, or they think they owe this money, or they just pay it because they don't know any better. But this is, in fact, essentially a scam. How it's set up is to basically trick you into using them. So this is from someone in Las Vegas, and it is pretty generic. It just says your domain listing, and then it actually says the web address, and it came to your address. So what they're hoping is that this will enough information will be similar to you that you think you need to pay for it. $228 for the year is what this is saying. And this is only for your domain, so your website only. So $228 is a lot of money for a domain. That's $19 a month for just a domain. A lot of times you can get domains for $8 a month, maybe cheaper, $2. Sometimes, a lot of times they're about 10 to 12. So they're just kind of skimming off the top trying to get money. So if you see this, if this actually happens and you see this in the mail, here's what you do with it. You open it up, you look at it, and you do this. You rip it up, and you do this. Well, don't do this, but you throw it out. But basically, you get rid of it. Alright, thanks everybody for watching. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe below, and stay safe. Bye everyone.